Most Americans are carrying a silent bomb in their own wallets. They still don't get it. Credit cards are modern financial slavery. This is what everyone gets wrong about those shiny plastic cards. They are not financial tools. They are high-tech traps for your future. You feel that cold shiver every time the monthly statement arrives. Your hard-earned money vanishes into interest payments before you can blink. One missed payment will trigger a total collapse of your credit. You are walking on a thin wire over a dark debt abyss. By the end of this video, you will break the chains. Stop being a victim of a system designed to keep you broke. The banks want you to pay only the minimum balance today. They want you to stay in debt for the next 30 years. Compounding interest is working against you every single second of night. Your small purchases are turning into massive mountains of heavy debt. You are trading your life energy for points that are totally worthless. The bank gets your freedom while you get a few miles. Credit card companies spend billions to study your very own brain. They know exactly how to trigger your impulse to spend more. That cash back is just a bait to keep you swiping. You are spending thousands just to earn a few measly $20. High interest rates are a silent tax on your every dream. You are paying double for everything you bought 3 years ago. The stress of debt is rewiring how you see your world. You stop dreaming of progress and start praying for basic survival. Comparison is the fuel that keeps the credit card industry alive. You buy luxury items to impress people who do not care. Financial anxiety is now your constant shadow every single working day. You are exhausted from defending your family against never-ending interest rates. Nobody explains why the middle class is drowning in total debt. The system rewards the spenders and punishes the quiet, patient savers. Your credit score has become a digital prison for your soul. You are judged by your ability to borrow, not your wealth. Banks love it when you are responsible, but stay in debt. You are their most profitable asset on a long-term global spreadsheet. You are chasing a lifestyle that your income cannot truly afford. This illusion of wealth is destroying your real financial foundation today. Every swipe feels like a small win in the short term, but every win is a long-term loss for your retirement fund. This cycle creates the illusion of motion without any real progress. You run faster, but your debt mountain only gets much taller. Living with credit card debt creates a constant background of fear. Fear of emergencies, layoffs, or just sudden and very bad luck. That fear shapes your choices without you even noticing it anymore. You avoid the risks that could actually improve your entire future. You stay in a job you hate just for debt stability. You postpone change because uncertainty feels very dangerous for your family. The trap is psychological before it is ever truly financial today. Stress narrows your vision until all your financial options disappear slowly. You fail from thousands of small and forced daily financial decisions. Most people do not fail from just one big mistake today. When money is tight, thinking long-term feels very irresponsible for you. Immediate interest needs dominate every single thought and emotion you have. You are exhausted from constantly defending yourself against the credit banks. You are not bad with money. You are just totally overwhelmed. The system benefits when you feel totally lost and very confused. Overwhelmed people consume more and rarely question the world around them. Debt living keeps you busy, anxious, and very distracted every day. It leaves no energy to redesign your life for true freedom. Freedom requires margin, and margin is disappearing from our lives. Without margin, every small problem becomes a major financial crisis. This is why financial advice often feels very unrealistic for you. It ignores the emotional weight of your constant and heavy debt. Scarcity turns intelligent people into reactive decision makers every single day. It makes survival feel like the only responsible priority left today. You are not imagining this pressure on your own life now. Millions of Americans feel it every single day and night, too. Card dependency removes all leverage from your current and future life. The lenders gain a silent and total control over you. The trap tightens quietly, not dramatically like in the action movies. That is why so many never notice until it is late. Living this way erodes your confidence and your own self-trust now. You stop believing that any change is possible for your family. Hopelessness becomes your normal, even if it is unspoken right now. You smile publicly while worrying privately about your credit balance daily. The scariest part is how normal this feels to you today. Struggle has been rebranded as adulthood in our modern busy society. But constant stress is not normal or healthy for you ever. It is a warning sign, not a personal character trait today. Card living is not your destiny for the future years now. It is a condition that can be challenged and changed today. Awareness is the first crack in the financial trap today now. Understanding the interest system removes your misplaced and heavy personal shame. This is not about becoming rich overnight or very fast ever. It is about reclaiming your own breathing room and peace now. Small margins create powerful psychological relief for your tired mind. Relief restores clarity, confidence, and much better financial choices today. Breaking the cycle starts with seeing it very clearly right now, not blaming yourself for simply surviving it all this time. You deserve more than endless financial anxiety and scary nights today. You deserve stability without the constant fear of your future. The credit trap thrives on your silence and your normalization. Talking about it breaks its power over you and others. Millions are stuck, yet feel alone in their financial struggle. That isolation keeps the card system intact for a time. Recognizing the trap changes how you see your own money. Money becomes a tool, not a constant threat to you. The goal is not perfection or extreme discipline every day. The goal is gradual control over your financial life today. Control begins when fear stops dominating all your daily decisions. That shift changes everything for you over a long time. You do not need another motivational quote for your wall. You need space to think clearly about your own path. Space comes from small structural changes in your daily life, not from guilt, pressure, or a toxic hustle culture today. The credit trap survives because it feels very unavoidable now. But history shows that systems can be redesigned by people. Every generation faces its own unique financial prison or trap. Understanding it is the first escape step you must take. You are not broken for feeling trapped in this way. You are responding rationally to extreme pressure from the lenders. Fear makes short-term solutions feel very necessary for survival. Clarity makes long-term freedom feel possible for you and family. Most Americans want peace in their lives, not luxury items. Peace starts with financial breathing room and a small margin. Breaking credit dependence is not a dramatic or fast move. It is quiet, slow, and deeply personal for every person. It begins the moment you stop blaming yourself for everything and start questioning the structure of the credit system instead. That question alone changes how the entire trap works now, because awareness weakens its grip on your mind and heart. You are not behind in your life at all, friend. You are navigating a harder system than ever before today. Survival today does not mean surrender tomorrow for your dreams. Traps rely on hopelessness to survive and grow in you. Hope returns when you understand the pattern of the trap. Patterns can be interrupted intentionally with the right tools, finally. Credit dependency is widespread across our entire nation right now, but it does not have to be permanent for you. This is not the end of your financial story today. It is the moment you finally see the trap clearly. Seeing the trap gives you leverage over your own future. Leverage restores choices that fear removed from your life before. Your future does not require miracles or magic to happen. It requires clarity and small, consistent changes over a time. Millions are waking up to this new financial reality today. You are not late to understanding it for yourself right now. The credit trap depends on your blindness to its work. Awareness is how you step outside it into the light. This is not about money alone in your life today. It is about reclaiming control over your entire beautiful life, finally.